Cleanergy Solutions Namibia is a groundbreaking partnership between Ohlthaver Group and CMB.TECH focused on green hydrogen production. The company aims to reduce carbon emissions and contribute to the global efforts to combat climate change, aligning with Namibia's green hydrogen goals. The 500 million Namibia dollars pilot project in Walvis Bay includes hydrogen production, a public refueling station, and a hydrogen academy for training local professionals. According to the Ohlthaver Cleanergy Development Committee member Eike Krafft, the plant, although not producing hydrogen locally yet, has imported hydrogen that is used to test the equipment, the compressor, and the plant's storage capacity. The refueling station, which began operation in 2023, is Africa's first hydrogen refueling hub designed to decarbonize port logistics in partnership with Namport.
In a nutshell, to complete our phase 1 plant and really start with local hydrogen production here in Namibia, our plant is 95% complete. The one part that we're still waiting for is called electrolyser. It's basically the equipment which is at the heart of the operation and which splits the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Now, this electrolyser we already ordered 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago, but lead times are incredibly long. Now, we're expecting that equipment, which comes from Europe but is an American supplier, to arrive here towards the end of the year. So I think it is shipping at the end of October, beginning November. So we'll have it here in December, but then everybody goes on leave, etc. So we think that we can complete the commissioning then early in the new year, so beginning 2025. And within the first quarter of 2025, then we will actually start with local production of hydrogen here in Namibia.
Established in 2021, the project's flagship facility includes a 10-hectare solar park with over 7,000 solar panels. Krafft also announced plans to develop 2,000 hectares of land in Arandes for 1 gigawatt of solar energy generation and 500 megawatts of hydrogen production. This, he stressed, is because of weather challenges experienced in Walvis Bay.
Walvis Bay got a very aggressive environment. Everything that's outside you can see is rusting, etc. And so everything we already ordered for here is with the maximum of corrosion protection. You see a lot of stuff is containerized, so it's really to try and make it as neat as possible. Also for the solar side, for renewable energy, obviously when there are sandstorms you will have less solar irradiation. We have fogs here. You can also see on the surface of the panel you have deposits. We still have a project with UNAM to try and figure out how much actually does the performance decrease with the deposits on the panels, etc. So these are things we are learning.
150 locals were involved during the construction phase, and 8 Namibians are directly employed at Cleanergy Solutions.
We have a matrix of the types of expertise that we need. It's engineering. It's on all levels really. Also with the ammonia comes the ammonia chemical type of engineering. Everything hydrogen specific skills that we don't have in this country, and we believe that we can over time develop these skills in the country. On the one hand, with a few experts that we are bringing into the country, like we did for the phase 1 plant, but under that we're developing a local Namibian team, and also our academy here is really part of the reason of why we put it there, because we want to develop and attract these skills and make our contribution to make this a reality really.
The facility, according to the Namibia Investment Promotion Board, is the first hydrogen production and refueling station in Africa with hydrogen used for dual fuel technology in trucks.